I'd say the key takeaway was to learn all of the innovative products that are here, learn what's cutting edge, what's up and coming, and what we can use in industry.
Love that there's new software coming that kind of makes simplifying evaluation or recalling where defects are located within the depth of a part. It made me hopeful for the future, right? So they're constantly innovating, providing new technologies to make our lives and our jobs easier. It actually made me happy that I chose them as a supplier for our company to utilize in the future.
We have been working across a lot of vendors and operators. I think this is one of the great facility to have and good to know about it. Starting all the way from 200 to 9 MeV is like a great thing. Yeah.
But it's interesting to compare and contrast what I do today and what the similarities are, what the differences might be, what advantages NSI may have compared to how we're currently operating.
I really like that you had it broken down into 5 sections. That gave me better insight into each different aspect of the systems that you sell. I like that, yeah, again, different sections and not just a 20-minute quick overview of everything all at once.
I would recommend this. It gives people opportunity to learn what is available. I've been in the industry for almost 30 years. Still, it's good to see what is going on.